Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Probability. What is the probability? It means occurring the chance. It may or it may not. So 15.1, that complete the statement. Probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. That will be 1. The probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such as event is called impossible. The probability of an event that is certain to happen 1. Such as event is called sure. The sum of the probability of all event of an experiment is 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. And then second question, which of the following experiment have equally likely outcome? Equally likely, it means that can be come or not come. It means a equal chance. So a driver attempt a car, the car start or not start? This not. It mostly can be start. A player attempt to shoot a basket, she or he shoot or miss the shot. Obviously that will be chance to shot. A trial is made to answer a true or false. The answer is right or wrong. Both probabilities equal, right or wrong. So this is the equally likely outcome. So third is the equally likely outcome. Fourth, a baby is born. It is a boy or girl. Equally likely outcome. It can be boy or it can be girl. Why is tossing a coin considered to be fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? So equally likely outcome. Equally likely outcome because this toss is a fair. Now the fourth question. Which of the following cannot be probability of an event? So that probability can't be less than 0. So B part is a wrong. Next, fifth. If probability of experiment is equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not experiment? So that fifth question here. Solution, that probability of event is equal to 0.05. So probability of not event experiment is equal to 1 minus 0.05. That will be 0.95 because we know that total probabilities are 1. Maximum probability is 1. A bag contain lemon flavor candies only. Malini take out one candy without looking into a bag. What is the probability that out of an orange candy? 6. First part, that will be there is only the lemon candy. So the probability of orange candy, that probability of experiment is equal to 0 because orange is not there, so orange can't be come out. Second, that a lemon flavor candy, so that will be all the candies are lemon flavor candies, so that will be probability is maximum, that is 1. Seventh question, that is if it is given that a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday of that one 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students have the same birthday? So one probability is given there. Probability of experiment is 0.992 and the probability of 2 students is equal to 1 minus 0.992, that is 0.008. And one thing more you can see here, if the probability is given, you need to find the second probability, then you will be subtract from 1 every time. See here or here also. And then 8th question, a bag contains red ball, 3 red ball, 5 black ball. So first of all, red ball is equal to, that is 3, and then black ball is equal to 5. So total balls is equal to 8. So that we need to find that probability of a red ball. So that is first, probability of red ball is equal to that red is 3 upon that total ball is 8. That is the answer. Not red. Second part, not red means that is black ball. Those are not red. 5.8, that is answer. And then question number 9, that a bag contain 5 red marble, so that red marble, that red marbles is equal to 5, and then white marbles is equal to, that is 8, and then green marbles is equal to, that is 4. So total marbles is equal to 17. So first part, that is probability of red is equal to, red is 5 upon 17. Answer. Second part, probability of white marble is equal to, that is white is 8 upon 17. And then third part, probability of not green. So probability of not green is equal to, those are not green, these two are not green, that is 13 upon 17. This is answer. And then 10th question, a piggy bank contain 150 coins. So that is 50 paise coin, 50 paise coins is equal to 100, and then 50 rupees 1 coin. So rupees 1 coin is equal to 50, and then 20 rupees 2 coin. Rupees 2 coin is equal to 20, and rupees 5 coin is equal to, that is 10. So total coins is equal to, that is 180. So first part is will be 50 paise coin. So probability of 50 paise coin is equal to 100 upon 180. By cancel, 2 5 ja 2 9 ja, that is 5.9. Second part, that is will not be rupees 5 coin. Not rupees 5 coin. So that this is not a rupees 5 coin, so that will be 170 upon 180, that cancel, so 17 upon 18. Then 11th question, Gopi buy a fish from a shop. From the aquarium, the shopkeeper take out one fish at random from the tank containing 5 male fish, 8 female fish. So that male fish is equal to 5, female fish is equal to 8. Yes, the total fish is equal to 13. So what is the probability that the fish taken out a male fish? So probability of male is equal to male is 5 upon 13. This is the answer. 12th question, that a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest, that one. So total is here, that total is equal to 8. In a spinning you are looking here, that is 8 numbers. So first part is find the probability of that 8. So 8 is only one time, so that answer. And odd, second part, probability of odd. So how many odd number are here? 4. That 1, 3, 5, 7 is a odd number. So that is 4 upon 8. 4 1 ja 2 ja, that is 1 upon 2. Third part, that is greater than 2. Probability of greater than, or we can write here, if the statement is lengthy, then you can write probability of experiment. So greater than 2 is there 6 by 8. So 2 3 ja 2 4 ja, that is 3 upon 4. So fourth part is that less than 9. So probability of experiment, that is whole. All number are less than 9, so that is 1. This is answer. And then next, next question, that a dice is thrown once, find the probability of getting. Dice means you know that Ludo dice, like this Ludo dice also we can say that a total is equal to, there is total is equal to, that is 6 prime number. So that probability of experiment prime means that is a 2 3 5, that is a 3 time upon 2, 1 upon 2. The second part, prime number, that is number lying between 2 and 6, that is 3 4 5, that is 3 upon 6, 2 ja 1 upon 2. Third part, that is probability of experiment, that is third part, an odd number will be also 3 upon 6, 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja, that is also 1 upon 2. All answer are same. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red card. That is 14th question. So total cards, you know that total cards is equal to 52. So that probability of first part, probability of experiment is equal to, that is a king of red card. 2 are the red king. So 52 1 26, that is 1 upon 26. And then second part, that a face card. So total face card are, this is 12. So upon 52, that by 6 2 is 12, 6, that will be cancelled by 3 4 is 12, and then not 3 2 6 is 12, 2 26 ja, then 2 3 ja 2 13 ja. So 3 upon 13, that is answer. Third part, probability of experiment is equal to that red face card. Red face card, that will be 6 upon 52, cancel by 2, 6, that is 3. So 3 upon 26. And then fourth part, that will be jack of heart, that will be 1. Jack of heart, that will be 1 upon 52. Sixth part, that fifth part, that will be spade. Spade, we know that spade are 13 upon 52. 1 ja 4 ja, 1 upon 4. Sixth part, that queen of diamond, that will be 1. Queen of diamond, that will be 1 upon 52. These are the answer. It's a lengthy question. Now the 15 question also that depend related to cards. So 5 cards, it means total is equal to, total cards is equal to 5. That there is the 10, jack, queen, king, ace of diamond are well shuffled with their face downward. One card is then pick out up at random. What is the probability that the card is queen? So that first probability is equal to, queen is there only 1 and total card is 5. And then second part, probability that second has 2 part, that is A, again A. So probability is equal to, that is, if the queen is draw and put outside, what is the probability that the second card pick up an S? That will be 1 upon 4, because one card we have taken out. And then B part, probability is equal to, that will be probability of queen. The queen is not there, so that will be 0 upon 4, it means 0. 12th, 16th question. 16th question, 12 defective pen accidentally mixed with 132 good pen. So defective pens is equal to 12, good pen is equal to 132. So total pen is equal to 144. So determine the probability that the taken out the good one pen. So probability of good one pen. So good one is 132 and then 144. So by 4 3 are 12 and then 4 3 are 12 and then 4 3 are 12, 4 6 ja, then by 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, that is 11 upon 12. This is the answer. And then And then 17th question. A lot of 20 bulb contain 4 defective. So total bulb is 20. 17th question. Total that is bulb is equal to 20. Defective is equal to 4. So good is equal to, that is 16. So here is also 2 parts. That is the first part. This is the first part. So we need to find that what the probability that defective. So probability of experiment, we are finding the defective, that is 20. So 4 1 ja 4 5 ja, that is 1 upon 5. Second part. Suppose the bulb draw in first case not defective, it means good one pen. So now one bulb draw random the from rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? And then now total is equal to because we have not replaced, so that is 19. So good is equal to, that one was good, those have taken out, now that is 15. So probability is equal to, that will be 15 upon 19. And then 18th question. 18th question, we see here. Eighteenth question, that is a box contain 90 disc 1 to 9. So that total means total is equal to 90. Total is equal to, that will be 90. And then 1 to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this. Okay. So first part is that a perfect square number. So first part is perfect square, probability of experiment. So 1 is a perfect square, 2 is also perfect square. Oh sorry, that 4 is perfect square, 9 is perfect square, 16 like this. These are the 9. So that is 90. So 9 1 ja, 9 10 ja. So that will be 1 upon 10. And then second part, that will be a number divided by 5 like this, 5, 10, 15 like this. So probability is equal to, that will be 18. So 90. So 1 ja, 5 ja. That will be 1 upon 5. And then next page. A child has a dice with 6 faces, so that so the letter as given below. So that is a total. Total is equal to 6 because 6 faces are there. And then first of all we need to find that A, probability of A. So see that in faces there is 2A. 2A. So that is 2 upon 6. That cancel. 3 ja, 1 upon 3 answer. Second part, that probability of D. Probability of D. That is only one time, so 1 upon 6. This is answer. 20 number. 20 number, that you are looking the here a rectangle and a circle. So we need to find the probability of that these two. So probability of that area is equal to probability area of circle upon area of rectangle. So that area of circle we know that pi r square upon that is L into B. So pi r square means pi into r is 0.5 into 0.5 upon that is length is equal to 3 into 2. So by cancel of decimal, that is 2 zeros are here, 5 4 ja, 5 8 ja. So that will be pi upon 8 3 ja 24. And then 21st question. 21st question, that is a lot of contain 144 ball pen. So total pen is equal to 144, and then 20 defective. So defective pens is equal to 20. So that will be good is equal to, obviously that will be 4 to 124. So first is that C will buy it. Buy it means obviously C will be purchase the good pen. So that 124 upon 144 by 4 3 ja 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 12 4 6 ja 24. That is 31 upon 36. Second part, C will not buy. It means obviously defective pen C will not buy. That will be 20 upon 144 by 4 4 5 ja 4 36 ja, that is 5 upon 36. That is answer. And then question number 22. 22 you will be see in your that one first part you will be see in your book, that is sum of the dice of 2 is 1, sum of the pair of dice is 3 is 2, that like this 3 4 5 6, and then again you will be go back 5 4 3 2 and then 1. That second part you will be see here. Second part, the students argue that there are 11 possible outcome 2 to 12. So each has a probability that 1 upon 11. Yes, that will be yes, because every number has only one time. And then question number 23 question, that will be a game consists of a tossing of one rupees coin 3 times and nothing is outcome each time. Honey will win all if all the toss given the same result, 3 head or 3 tail, and loss otherwise. Calculate the probability of the honey if lost the game. So total possibilities will be, that is 6. So honey will be lost the game, sorry, that is the 8. So honey will lost the game, it means 6 times, because 2 times will become the head and tail. So otherwise this will lost. So that is 2 3 ja 2 4 ja, that is 3 upon 4 answer. And then double 24 question, you will be see the table of this one in your book. A dice is thrown twice, what the probability that? So total possibility will be 36. So first part is 5 will come either time, it means probability of 5, that will become how many time? 11 upon 36, that is answer. That is second part, probability of that 5 will not come, that is obviously that will be 25, because total is 36, that is answer. And then question number 25, which of the following argument are correct or which are not correct? If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes, 2 head, 2 tail, or 1 of each. Therefore each of these outcomes the probability is 1 upon 3. No, incorrect, because if we will toss 2 times, that total possibility will become 4. If a dice is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd or an even number. There the possibility or probability of getting an odd number is 1 upon 2. Yes, correct, because total possibility will be 6. So 3 2 ja 6. So that will become 1 upon 2. Okay.